Hey little Kare Bears, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these little fidget toys made out of Legos. So I'm going to teach you how to make the small one and the big one. So let's get started, but before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells so you get notified every single time I post a new video. But anyways, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start off with this one, so I'll be back and it will be like, I guess, destroyed. So okay, but also you need to go ahead and follow my TikTok, and also you can go ahead and join my Roblox group. But anyways, the first thing you're gonna need is a flat piece, that is 4x4, just like this, and it can be any color. And then you're gonna need to put a piece in the middle, just like so. And then you're gonna surround it with like these kind of blocks. So, like this. And then I'm gonna put these here. So then it's like looking like this. And just here. And then I do three floors, but you can do 2. And then I like to cover mine with those like little skinny blocks, like this. And then you can decorate yours with anything. I have little flowers. I'm gonna put, oops, that fell. I need to see if okay. Now, now you're gonna need a block with a flat piece on it, and then you're gonna need a spring from a pen or anything else. So I'm gonna need a spring, and then you can notice that there's a thing at the bottom of it, and then you can just put the spring right in there. It fits perfectly, just like so. And then you can put it inside. It'll fit perfectly, and then there you go. Now I'm gonna go show you guys how to make this big one, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and you need a flat piece, which is a 6x8, like this, or even bigger. And then you're gonna start off again with just surrounding it with blocks, just like I'm doing right now. Oh, that doesn't make sense. Anyways, I like to do like 2 floor thingy, I don't know how to say it. But yeah, 2 rows, no, not rows, but you get what I mean. So you just keep on going. Just keep on building. Or should I call it 2 layers? I don't know what makes sense. Okay, so I put 2 layers like this, and then it should be hollow in the inside. And then you're gonna be like, it's too big. So what you gotta do is take like something like this, and then put it right at the edge, so then it can become smaller. And then you'll need to make something like this, which is a 4x4, and then you put a flat piece on it, and then you're gonna go again with a spring, but instead of, if your spring is a bit smaller and it falls down when it goes upside down, you can put a little bit of tape on the back right here. So yeah, and then you can fit it right inside of here, and it, oops, it fell. Okay, wait. It's not going down. Okay, and then it should be like this. Oops. Just like so. This one's a little bad because I kind of ruined it because of tape. But anyways, this is going to be the end of the video. Maybe a little short video, but that's okay. But before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification bells so you get notified every single time I post a new video. And also, comment down below if you have any questions about this, because then I'll make another video of things that you guys have been questioning, because it might be a little hard. But yeah, so bye. I love ya.